Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to hide columns on Monday.com. So for example, if you're working on Monday.com and you need to hide some columns from other members of your team, for example, your employees, your subordinates, those working under you, under the hierarchy. So if you need to hide it from them, just follow this video and by the end, you'll know how to do it. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to log into Monday.com. And once when you log in, you can see right here that you will be redirected to this home page. And on the left hand side, you have some other information that you can use, like the folders or the contacts and all the main workspaces that you're working on. So let's open a board, for example. And here it is, this board. Let's check some other board as well, if we can find something somewhere else. Okay, so let's start with this board. I find it more reasonable to do. So this is the contacts of a company, of the clients that we work with. Now, I don't want the other subordinates to see their phone number. For example, I feel that phone numbers are kind of confidential and shouldn't be shared with the people below the hierarchy level. So I need to hide it from them. So what do I need to do? What can I do? I can go here and then I can click on collapse. If I collapse, it will be like this. But I would say this is one of the ways to do it, but I won't recommend because it's always there. We can always expand. So I wouldn't recommend it to do because you can always expand it. One can always expand it. But the other way is the most suitable one to do. What we can do is we can click on hide right here. And from here, we can hide phone. Now, as I've done that, here you go. It's hidden and one cannot find it. It's completely gone. Only you can see it. Only the admin of this board. Admin means those who have access to each and everything here, the hierarchy on the upper side, the executives, you can say that they can see that. Apart from them, nobody can see it. So, this is the best way to do it because apart from the admins, there are other people on the board as well, such as, your subordinates, your employees, or the other people subscribe to this board. They cannot see the hidden folder that you have just hidden right away, so they can't see it. They won't be able to see it, and that's how you actually hide it. So I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.